Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve my chicken stock at home. That is homemade chicken stock. As you can see, I have some hard chicken in my pot here. I'm just going to use all this chicken for this chicken stock. So guys, you can make your own and store it in your freezer any day you want to cook, maybe fried rice, jollof rice, stew. It will save you a lot of times, especially if you are a busy person like me. So guys, that is why I decided to share this video with you guys. So if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video. And for my old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you so much. I appreciate and I love you all guys. And also, if you have been watching my video, watching and coming in, you have not yet subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Please just hit that subscribe button, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos that I will upload. So guys, let me show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. So these are the ingredients and the spices that I'm going to use. I have some chopped onions, some thyme, salt, garlic. I also have some nutmeg, Scotch bonnet, 2 Maggi cubes, and some bay leaves. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. So now let's get started. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is well clean. I'm just going to add my onions. I'll add my thyme, my garlic, my Maggi cubes, nutmeg, Scotch bonnet, bay leaves, and I will give it a nice stir so that everything will be mixed together very well. So guys, I'm just going to cover the pot and I will lower my cooker to a medium heat, and I will leave the chicken to cook for about 10 minutes. In that way the chicken will bring its own stock out. I'm going to use the stock to cook the chicken before I'll add water into it. So guys, I'm just going to check the chicken. Wow, as you can see, the chicken has produced its own stock. I'm just going to stir it together very well. You see, all these are the stock of the chicken. I'm just going to add some salt, and also I'll add water. This is time for me to add water into the pot so that I can cook the chicken for about, let's say, 25 more minutes, because the chicken is so hard. I'll just give it a nice stir, then I'll cover it and I'll allow it to cook. So the chicken has been cooking I've been cooking the chicken for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to stir it together and I'll cover it back and I'll allow it to cook for more 10 minutes. So guys, our chicken is ready. I'm just going to take all the chicken away out of the chicken stock. I'm just going to put them in my filter. I want all the water to drop out very well. Then I'll put it in my oven. I'll just grill it chicken, then I'll set it aside. Also, I'm just going to remove all those spices inside the chicken stock because I don't like to see them in my rice or when I'm cooking jollof rice or fried rice. I just want to take them out, and I will just use my filter to filter everything out of the chicken stock. All the spices that is inside, I'll just filter them out. So guys, this is our chicken stock. It's so easy to make, so simple. You can store it inside your freezer. So these are the chickens. I'm just going to grill the chicken, then I will set it aside. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. As you can see here, these are my chicken stock, the one I've achieved in my house, my homemade chicken stock. And these are the chicken. I just grew them. I'm going to put them inside a zip bag and I'll store them inside my freezer. Anytime I want to make fried rice, jollof rice, everything is almost ready to go. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys, please. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe guys. So I'm just going to leave you at this point. I love you guys and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.